another video, this time from the new Beach Road Bridge over Highway 36, just before it ends, on the west side of the St. Croix River. There you can see the piles of dirt, whatever those yellow things are. Lots of cranes, but it's all progress to me. Boy, the traffic is noisy. Anyway, you can see in the far distance a piers, two piers on the Wisconsin side of the river sticking up. I'm sure they'll probably start tearing out trees pretty soon. But beautiful day, beautiful June day. I think the high today was about 78 degrees, still a little bit humid. Was a nice day to mow the neighbor's lawn. Let's see if we got it in the picture. Why can't I see the smokestack? My viewfinder isn't working that great. Anyway. Well, the smokestack's not showing in my viewfinder, but oh well. There's that sucker. It's almost 800 feet tall. They spent close to $1 billion upgrading the coal power plant here in Bayport, which also can run off of I believe it's natural gas. Anyway, please check my other videos as I take videos of the bridge construction now and then. I will have 3 or 4 of them from today. Thanks for watching. Bye.